My dear friend, in English shorthand, today we have to start exercise 57. And in 57 exercise, something is written in shorthand and now I have to convert it into English. तो हम इसको इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करके लिखते हैं. आइए देखिए, ये द होगा. द फेंस, द फेंस. A stretch of marsh. Along the source of the was used to be the scene, 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 too many scenes of many, a chance, a fray, and many a set battle owing to the inroads of the Saxons and Danes on the domains of the natives. Full stop. It seems to have been a fast primeval forest at the time of the Romans who with there are usually vigilance, so vigilance sa a means of saving this expense from the ravages ravages of the waves by a clearance to the tree of the trees and the raising of banks. AISING, raising of banks. Full stop. और इसका कुछ हिस्सा बच रहा है जिसको इसी वीडियो में हम ये बता देते हैं। हम इस एक्सरसाइज 57 का इसका अर्थ हम लिख डालते हैं। क्या लिखा हुआ है तो आइए यहाँ शुरू करते हैं। ये है किंग जॉन। किंग जॉन ऑफ दोज violence against the barons. There is but one opinion. There is but one opinion. Nearly lost his life in one of the treacherous treacherous channel of the Wash. CHANNE, channel of the Wash. Full stop. They have been those who have read Kingsley's Romance of the Endurance. Romance of the Endurance. Stout, STOUT, stout resistance of the sections in the Isle of Islay must have been struck by the graphics detailed of the rough. DETAILS, details of the rough roads of those days. And even and even now there is no even now there is no to see for transit. Full stop. Times out of number, the waves to the sea, of the sea carried away properties causing havoc, havoc, distress of the farmers. और इसी के साथ आपका समाप्त हो गया एक्सरसाइज 57। कैसा लगा आप कमेंट जरूर देंगे और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में अगला एक्सरसाइज। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।